Hi there, this is our semi-auto capsule filling machine. It can fill powder, granule or pellet into hard capsule, size 000-5. Fully meets CE, CGN-208D, USA and European Union standards. Variety of filling screw heads help you solve the filling problem of viscose materials. Higher capsule filling precision, accuracy rate exceeds 97%. New design of horizontal capsule locking. Save time and labor. No powder leakage. Max output 30,000 pieces per hour. Aluminum alloy capsule tray by CNC. Surface smooth, no damage to capsules. We are trusted by Fortune 500. To purchase capsule filling machine, choose Rich Packing.